Today I'm going to show you how to create an x.com or Twitter space step by step. If you want to go live with an audio conversation, host a discussion, or build an audience in real time, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. And don't worry, I'll keep it simple and quick so you can follow along even if you've never created a space before. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and social media guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use as the host. Once you're on the platform, look for the More option. This is usually found in the left-hand menu on desktop or in the navigation menu on mobile. Tap or click More to open the additional options. After that, look for the option that says Create Your Space. This is the feature you'll use to start a live audio room. Click it and X will take you to the space setup screen. Now, it's time to set the details. Here you can add the title of your space so people know what the conversation is about. Make it clear, specific, and interesting so it attracts the right audience. You may also be able to choose settings like who can speak, whether the space is public, and any other available options depending on your account and device. Take a moment here to review everything before going live. A good title and the right settings can make a big difference in how many people join and how smoothly your space runs. If you're planning a Q&A, interview, discussion, or announcement, set that up now so listeners immediately understand the purpose of the session. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Start Now. That will launch your space and make it live for your audience. At that point, people can join, listen, and participate based on the settings you chose. And that's it. You've just learned how to create an x.com or Twitter space in just a few simple steps. Again, all you need to do is click More, click Create Your Space, set the details, and then click Start Now. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.